Saffron Oil Face Serum Skin Glow and Whitening. Saffron benefits for skin. Helps fight acne. Treat dark spot. Help enhance skin tone. Olive oil benefits. Moisturize skin. Reduce sign of aging. Increase collagen. Lowers risk of acne. Reduce skin redness. Benefits of jojoba oil. Deeply hydrating. Long-lasting moisturization. Anti-aging. Soothes dry skin. Restore healthy, glowy skin. Benefits of sesame oil. Skin whitening. Rejuvenates your skin. Balance skin pH. Heals damaged skin. Few threads of saffron. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon jojoba oil. 5 drops vitamin E. Mix well. Store in glass bottle. Use after 6 hours.